high frequency trading, I honestly at that time I thought I was just too, you know, for the lack of a better term, dumb to get there, to get into. So I really didn't think it was possible at that time until I just luckily ended up working for a firm doing the technology for hedge funds essentially.
Okay. And so you ended up then getting the degree, and then you went to work for that fund in that small bank in the US. And then where did
The small bank was in Russia.
in Russia? Okay.
So I got my, so that was while I was getting my bachelor's. And then after my master's, I had to kind of find a job. And if I was looking for like a financial analyst job, etc. And it was just so hard to find one. And then I was like, okay, well, I know how to program and I want to stay in the country. So I need, to have a job. So I found a programming job and it was totally unrelated to finance. And while I was working there, I met a guy while we were playing soccer, and he
Okay.
worked for the company that were doing software for kind of hedge funds. He said, I said, well, I asked him, could you hook me up with an interview? He said, sure. When we're actually hiring, I said, okay, let's do it, but I need like I think it was 3 or 4 months lead time.
Okay.
So every day while going to work, I had to, it was a long commute for my job then. So it was like an hour, 90 minutes. So every morning and every evening, I was studying, kind of refreshing my programming, the C++, etc. And in 3 months, I had my interview and I got an offer like on the, it was, did the interview. They did like some coding challenges. It was for a junior, position.
Okay.
I went to the bathroom, came back, they had an offer for me, and I took it. I'm like, I would
Uh,
have agreed for any money, but they gave me good money, more than I made at my other programming job. And then after that, it was just working hard, learning.